Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable the option to choose a download location for every file you receive on the Telegram app for PC. This is a really useful new update, especially if you like to stay organized and avoid clutter in your downloads folder. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top left corner of the app. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those lines to open the side menu. From here, scroll down a bit and click on Settings. This will take you to all the customization options for your Telegram app. Inside Settings, look for the Advanced section and click on it. This is where Telegram keeps more detailed and powerful options that give you better control over how the app behaves. Now, scroll through the Advanced settings until you find the option called Ask Download Path for each file. Once you see it, simply turn it on. That's it. From now on, every time you download a file on Telegram, you'll be asked where you want to save it. This makes it much easier to organize your files, especially if you're dealing with documents, images, or videos from different chats. This feature is perfect if you don't want everything going into one default folder and prefer choosing a specific location each time.